Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Klingon bird of prey from the Star Trek show Discovery. Let's open up the box. Got the stand, the other part of the stand, and the ship itself. Bottom of the ship, got the top of the ship, the side of the ship, the rear of the ship, and the front of the ship. Unlike other people, I really do like this design. I like the detail in it. It's a little less than 6 inches long, and it's about 5 inches wide. I just want to thank everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.
Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful.